This is the diffuser blend that I use to make my home smell absolutely amazing, just like a cool boutique. Hi, I'm Shyla, certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching you how to turn your essential oils into natural products that you can use at home. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, so let's get started with this bubbly diffuser recipe from Simply Earth. Before I tell you what you'll need, I want to make sure that you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with showing you how to make natural products with your essential oils. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY hair care box. When you subscribe to the DIY recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients that you'll need to make this recipe, along with other natural recipes. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You'll also find all of the ingredients for this recipe on simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY hair care box, along with the diffuser recipe that we're going to make in this video. So out of my recipe box, I'm going to grab all of the ingredients I need. I'm going to add all the essential oils to my cute little succulent diffuser that you can get at simplyearth.com. We also have a cute little flower diffuser and a card diffuser. All right, first I'm going to add 3 drops of cedarwood Himalayan. Next, I'm going to add 1 drop of Happy Joy, 1 drop of Head Soothing, and last but not least, 1 drop of Lang Lang. It smells amazing. It's gonna make my house feel so cozy and warm, and you're gonna love it. Now that I know that I absolutely love the smell of this recipe, I'm gonna go ahead and make a master blend that I can keep on my desk or in my home that I can use whenever I want to. I grabbed my 5 milliliter amber bottle from my big bonus box. I'm gonna grab a little funnel to make sure that the essential oils get into the bottle easier. First, we're gonna add 50 drops of cedarwood. Next, I'm gonna add 16 drops of Head Soothing, 16 drops of Happy Joy, and last but not least, 16 drops of Lang Lang. I'm going to take my funnel out, put my cap on, and then swirl it around to make sure all the essential oils are evenly incorporated and melded together nicely. Last but not least, don't forget your label. To use your master blend, you can add a few drops of your master blend to your diffuser. Add as many as you want. I suggest 3 to 5 to get started with to make sure it's not too strong for you. I love to see your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of the bubbly diffuser blend recipe that you made or any other of the recipes in the box and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all of your lovely creations too. You'll automatically be entered into the I Made This challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card that you can use on our website. Follow us for more natural recipes just like this guy.